In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to layer with registration marks so you're getting a perfect result each time. I'll be doing both Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio. Just check the description below for the links. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you've seen the previous videos on how to turn a colored image into a layered image and then how to turn it into layers and adding registration marks. So this is where we're at. We've cut our image in the different layers. Now we're going to weed out the excess. And as you can see, there goes our registration marks. We want to make sure the registration marks stay in place, since that's what we're using to align our image. Like that. There you go. Goes that one. Since this is the tongue, the piece is so small. I didn't add a registration mark to that one. There it is. And here is our transfer tape. So you want to start with the largest image first. It'll make it easier for you to align. So we have our background piece. We're going to start with the yellow since it's the largest area. And like I said earlier, you can do as many registration marks as you want, as you need. Nobody's going to know that you're cheating at layering but you. So you're going to layer the little squares. Just like that. White pieces. You can also do this with HTV, and the way you get it to where your squares are not on your garment is that you put a little piece of the transfer tape under it so it doesn't stick to your garment. And now the glasses. Here's what we got so far. I prefer to peel the backing away than the transfer tape away. There it is. Now the hoodie straps. And the tongue is just so small. You have to be very talented to screw this one up. And after you're done, you just remove your, oh, there they are, your registration mark, and you're ready to transfer your entire image. Just like this. There it is. That's how you do a layered image with registration marks. Don't forget to like and share and leave me some comments, and also subscribe. My next video, I'm going to be unboxing the Cricut Maker and go through the whole process of installing it in your computer, and this is going to go on it. Later.